welcome back to Mental Pick. So for today's Amazon leads, we got a total of 30 leads, 29 coming from Amazon OA and then one coming from our Amazon retail. So let's check some of the deals that we got today. Starting off with iHerb, this pet natural steel, you could earn a profit of 2.95 with an ROI of 49%. Another nature vet deal that you could earn a profit of 4.91 with an ROI of 48%. And lastly, this NutriCost Tyrosine, they could earn a profit of 10.14 with an ROI of 94%. There you go, guys. 3 deals from iHerb today. So here are the rest of the websites that we got for you to check. There you go. Check them all out because we got great leads and finds for you today. If you're interested to earn free extra money, we got you some options. Review giveaways, affiliate income, and bounty bonus. If you're interested, feel free to check these channels out. And a bot operated channel that we got for you is this Amazon to Amazon monitoring, wherein you could see all the latest deals and price drops from Amazon that you could also sell back to Amazon. Another one is the price drop monitoring that you could see all the latest deals and price drop of these websites. So check them out because we got a lot of finds for you, starting off with 30% up to 80% price drop. There you go, guys. And lastly, our general and Amazon community, wherein you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another. So don't hesitate to use it and, of course, share your achievements with. That would be all for a recap today. I hope you guys have a very nice day. Bye, everyone.